grain of rice, plays a crucial role in how we perceive reality, make decisions, function, and sleep. A healthy pineal gland is vital for our psychological development, peak performance, and spiritual awakening. Unlike most parts of our brain, the pineal gland is not isolated by the blood-brain barrier. Instead, it receives a lot of blood flow, second only to the kidneys. It is situated in a small cave-like area behind and above the pituitary gland, surrounded by cerebrospinal fluid. The pineal gland produces melatonin by converting serotonin, and this melatonin activates the pituitary gland to release MSH, melanocyte-stimulating hormone, which helps produce melanin. Melanin is responsible for various functions in our body. During the 1990s, British scientist Jennifer Luke conducted a study and found elevated levels of fluoride in the pineal gland of her research subjects. Fluoride is a chemical found in most tap water worldwide, along with other harmful substances like pesticides and chemicals. This study explains how various medicines and toxins end up in our water intentionally or due to inadequate waste management and filtration. The pesticides and heavy metals in water tend to build up more in the pineal gland compared to other parts of the body. This buildup of fluoride leads to the formation of hard shell-like structures called calcification around the pineal gland, as shown in the image above. Studies indicate that the pineal gland calcification has several negative effects. It reduces the production of melatonin, which affects sleep patterns. It disrupts the regulation of the circadian rhythm, affecting our body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Fluoridated water is thought to be a significant factor in causing this calcification in the pineal gland. There is evidence suggesting that exposure to fluoride may lead to early puberty in children. Animal studies also show that fluoride exposure decreases melatonin production. Scientific studies reveal that by the time a person reaches their mid-30s, their pineal gland can become like a small, hard pebble made of fluoride. In simple terms, when the pineal gland is calcified, it interferes with our basic biological functions, causing imbalances. Ancient traditions recognized the importance of the pineal gland and considered it vital for intuition and spiritual development. In today's increasingly toxic world, it's crucial to keep the pineal gland active and healthy to unlock our full potential. According to an article on Macola.com, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, and the American Dental Association have advised against fluoridation in situations affecting young children. The article also highlights several negative effects of fluoride ingestion, which were mentioned by Dr. Macola. Increases lead absorption, which can be harmful to health, may lead to dementia, affecting memory and cognitive abilities, could cause genetic damage and cell death in the body's cells, disrupts collagen synthesis, impacting the strength of bones and tissues, increases the risk of bone fractures, potentially raises the rates of tumors and cancer, can cause hyperactivity or lethargy in some individuals, harms sperm and may contribute to infertility, damages the brain and lowers IQ, impairs sleep by reducing melatonin production in the pineal gland, and possibly more negative effects not mentioned in the excerpt. It's important to be aware of these potential risks associated with fluoride ingestion. Detoxifying and activating your third eye can lead to significant improvements in your life. When your third eye is open, you may experience enhanced clarity, concentration, happiness, intuition, and better decision-making. In addition to these positive effects, activating the third eye may also bring vivid dreams that feel real and memorable, lucid dreams where you become aware that you're dreaming and you can control your actions in the dream. Easier astral projection, which is the ability to consciously travel outside your body during sleep. Improved sleep leading to better rest and rejuvenation. Enhanced imagination allowing you to tap into your creative potential. The ability to see auras, energy, beings, and even visions with your eyes closed. Clearer channels to perceive and interact with energy around you. On the other hand, if your third eye remains closed or inactive,
is your wife your biggest critic? Everything you do, no matter what it is, it's like she has a problem with it. And
Referred to as the Ajna chakra in Hindu tradition, you may experience negative effects such as confusion, uncertainty, cynicism, pessimism, jealousy, envy, and one-sided thinking. By detoxifying and activating your pineal gland, you can unlock these beneficial effects and improve your overall well-being. Imagine a door being stuck, just like a glued door. Even though it's closed right now, it's still a door that can be opened. If you keep trying, the door will eventually open. These are some of the recommended ways to decalcify the third eye. Note, means combining the method with at least one other listed can give better results. Avoid fluoride. Stay away from tap water, cooking with tap water, fluoride toothpaste, non-organic fruits and vegetables, unfiltered showers, red meat and soda or artificial food and drinks. Transitioning gradually to more natural foods like organic fruits and vegetables can be beneficial. Pineal gland detoxifies and stimulants. Certain substances like Hydrilla verticillata, chlorella, spirulina, blue-green algae, iodine, zeolite, ginseng, borax, D3, bentonite clay, chlorophyll, and blue skate liver oil can help. Include specific foods. Try adding raw cacao, goji berries, cilantro, watermelon, bananas, honey, coconut oil, hemp seeds, seaweed, and noni juice to your diet. Essential oils. These oils can help stimulate the pineal gland and bring a sense of spiritual awareness, meditation, and astral projection. Some good essential oils for the pineal gland are lavender, sandalwood, frankincense, parsley, davana, pine, pink lotus, and mugwort. Be careful with mugwort, as too much inhalation can be harmful. You can inhale essential oils directly, use a diffuser or nebulizer, or add them to your bath water. Citric acid. Load up on lemons as they contain citric acid, which can be beneficial. Garlic. For some time, try consuming about half a bulb of garlic every day. To reduce the odor, crush the garlic and soak it in raw apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice. You can use the leftover vinegar or lemon juice on a salad if you prefer. Raw apple cider vinegar. Make sure it's raw, like the Bragg's brand. You can take 1 quart mason jar with ionized alkaline water, 8 tablespoons of Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of raw local honey daily. This has many benefits, not just for the pineal gland. Sun gazing. Gaze at the sun during the first 15 minutes of sunrise and the last 15 minutes of sunset. It can be very beneficial for your pineal gland. Regular meditation and chanting. Chanting causes a bone in the nose called the tetrahedron to resonate, which stimulates the pineal gland and promotes the release of beneficial hormones known to make you feel more youthful. The sound Om is particularly beneficial as it resonates with the 4th chakra known as the heart center, which is associated with unconditional love. Chanting Om opens you up to universal and cosmic awareness. You can chant for 5 or 10 minutes or longer if you feel inspired and able to do so. Crystals. Certain crystals can be helpful for the pineal gland, such as amethyst wand, laser quartz wand, moonstone, petersite, purple sapphire, purple violet tourmaline, rhodonite, rose aura, and sodalite. But really, any indigo, violet, or dark purple gemstone or crystal can be used to stimulate and balance the pineal gland and the 6th and 7th chakras. Just place the crystal directly on your forehead or brow area for 15 to 30 minutes daily or every other day. This can open, balance, and align your third eye, brow chakra, and help prevent or clear any calcification in the gland. One way to use crystals is to drink water from slim crystal bottle. Each of the slim crystal bottles contains 9 types of natural crystals inside them. Experts claim that they can provide fantastic health benefits to the human body, like supporting healthy weight loss, maintaining healthy digestion and high energy levels, and can support your health and long-term youthfulness, amongst many benefits. For more information, check out the link in the description. Another way to stimulate and keep your pineal gland healthy, you can use an amethyst obelisk crystal or wand. Point it at your forehead, the point of the wand touching your skin, and close your eyes while looking up directly at the sun. Do this every day or as often as you can for about 5 to 10 minutes. The sun's rays will penetrate through the base of the crystal and reach your pineal gland, stimulating it. You can also use a laser quartz wand for this purpose. Quartz crystals are known to benefit all the chakras. Magnets. Another way to stimulate and decalcify the pineal gland is by attaching a magnet to the area above your third eye. This spot is between your two physical eyes, slightly above them. Use a magnet that sticks to your skin and keep it on for a few hours during the day. Magnets can make your body more alkaline, especially where the magnet is applied. Just remember to use magnets only on your head area while you are awake. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching.